we are leaving now. And off to the beach. Is it Chesil Beach? Chesil Beach?
Chesil Beach.
Ah.
Yeah.
So day one is
I know.
our day one trip to Chesil Beach.
In half a mile, turn left on Waypoint 29.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they are loaded up, aren't they?
So we'll see you in a little while.
only A358.
And we're still following at Arona and at
At the
Koya.
roundabout, take
Koya
the
Romel.
exit to A358.
It's gonna be exciting. Looks like we are nearly there.
Nowhere near yet.
Nowhere yet?
Oh,
Oh,
another 53 miles to go.
obviously 3 miles to go.
Continue on A358.
They have a lot of roadworks. Roadworks everywhere. Police. There's a police officer. Is it behind? Interesting is oh, it's a house.
Caravan.
Caravan. Ah, okay. The caravan. I see. We are just looking where's the campsite now.
That is hot. Woo!
Turn right onto Brad's Lane, then take the second right.
That car is talking, baby. So we're going this way.
I think so.
Okay. To the beach. Probably it's only one way. My God, we are in trouble. Oh dear me.
Not one way.
We are in trouble.
Turn right onto Westville Road. In half a mile, arrive at DT4, 9NR on the left.
That's why driving is so complicated. You have to read the mind of everybody.
Yeah. Children, animals. Oh, I see you. Is that it? Yeah, Part1 camp. Yeah.
Oh, not too bad. The beach.
Yeah, but that ain't where we'll be fishing, I don't think.
So we are here.
Mm.
Oh, there's a B&B in case we need those stuff for another night. Of course.
Campsite registration at farmhouse.
Nagpunta lang sila sa registration office and then we are off to go to put our tent up. Yeah. So I think our this is the end of the part 1 camping journey, and then we'll see you in the part 2. So thanks for staying with us and have a good day. Bye. Charlie, bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you in my next one.
See you in my next one.